Sec Manila.
Hi guys, hello. Ayan po. Nice to meet you all. Hi. For Lian pala, kasi may new The Clash na nga. Anong advice mo sa mga contestants ng The Clash, yung new batch? Kung may bibigay kang advice sa kanila.
Hello po, ayun.
Yes.
Magbibigay ko pong advice. For sure, magagaling po silang lahat. Ang mabibigay ko lang po siguro ang advice po na siguro galing po dahil sa batch po namin, ang hinahanap po nila is emotion po talaga. Na mailabas po nila ng storytelling, na maramdaman po ng audience, especially po ng judges. Siguro yun pong advice ko po na ibuhos po nila lahat ng emotions po na kailangan po sa song. Yun po.
For Kim, naman ako sa'yo, na-touch ako sa kwento mo. I hope your big break comes soon. Ano ba ang dream role mo? Kaya baka naman marinig ng universe, ganyan.
Universe? Dream role ko, bigyan mo na sa akin.
And dream leading lady din siguro yan.
Oh, wow! Dream role na lang. Dream role is, kasi gusto mo gumagawa ng action sequences eh. Like, action and fantasy.
Para malaro ganyan.
Parang, Encantadia, gano'n.
Wow.
Baka naman.
Ano ka ba? Hindi ka ba natakot na, hindi ka naman talaga singer? Hindi ka ba natakot na mabash? Na, para kumbaga meron ka bang mga hesitation? Paano mo na-overcome yun? Yung passion lang ba talaga nagpatulong sa i-overcome yun?
Yung nagtumulong sa akin is GMA playlist.
Yeah, honestly.
But what was going through your head? Like when you have any hesitations or any
Marami, kasi...
paano mo na-overcome yung anxieties mo yun?
I have friends and family na sinasabi sa akin, and of course supporters ko na sinasabi sa akin, ganda ng boses mo. Kahit na hindi ako nag-agree minsan. And siguro talaga nag-push sa akin yung love ko sa music in general, sa pagkanta. Kasi kapag kumakanta ako, parang sobrang therapeutic siya sa akin eh. Nakaka-relax. And actually kapag may problema nga ako, it's either magra-ride ako or kakaraoke ako all night. So, ganun ko talaga gusto kumanta at makinig ng music. Kaya siguro yun yung nag-push sa akin na kahit hindi naman yung first talent ko na pinakita or initially hindi naman yung pinapursu ko as a singer, hindi naman. Pero, yeah, gusto ko talaga akong kumanta eh. And I love listening to music. Yeah.
For Crystal naman, anong parang theater background mo? Did you think it helped you din now na you're parang more mainstream? And what ways did your theater background help you na ngayon medyo mainstream na yung career mo with your new single?
Thank you, Miss Jenny. Sorry. Theater, sabihin nila parang showbiz din yan eh. Honestly, the community is also so much tea and issues, but sorry, redacted. But
edit.
Yes. Pero siguro with the confidence, sometimes even when I think I can't do it, in the theater I can't dance. I cannot dance for my life, but in the theater, my mentors say you have to act like you can and just appear like alam mo yun?
Make it.
Yes, something like that.
Yeah.
But in terms of yung acting naman, ibang-iba po ang TV acting sa teatro. So, isa sa mga naging challenge ko po yan ng first few projects and guestings, first few years in GMA. But I'm glad meron pa rin po akong trabaho hanggang ngayon, nakapag-serie and guesting pa rin. And I think there's always room for improvement. I hope I get to take more classes kasi iba yung, I need to, learn new techniques kasi may mga habits na hindi gumagana for, my process on acting on TV and stuff like that. So yeah. long way to go.
Curious lang ako, nakapag-pageant ka na ba? Ever beauty pageant? Parang
My
bakit ka?
anxiety could never,
Kaya mo
Miss
yan.
Jamie.
Kaya mo yan. You will talk on this and remember me, joke. Again, you're pretty, you answer well. At mo nag-nod sila.
Salamat po.
Oh, why not try in the future?
Grabe po
Just an
talaga
idea.
yung anxiety ko. Siguro nag-auto lang siya kapag dito sa work, sa gym. It's easy to converse. But when I'm at home or when I'm with like my friends, I'm usually just listening in the corner and like letting everyone shine and just enjoy lang ako seeing everyone. So yun, matagal ko na rin pong gusto kasi I like, getting dressed up and I like my friends na ginagawa akong manika. Pero pag Q&A na, quiet na lang ako.
Magaling ka naman sumagot, kaya mo yan.
Thank you, Miss Jamie.
Thank you,
Salamat po.
guys.
I'll think
Congrats.
about it.
Thank you for that wonderful.
Thank you.
Shout out.
Thank you, Ms. Jamie. Next, we have Mr. Ambet Nabus of Marites University.
Yes, Marites.
Marites ako. Tatanong na yung question kay Krista. So anyway, sa inyo tatlo, sino yung mga musical influences ninyo?
Hello? Oh my gosh, napakarami po. Especially growing up, yung dad ko po, lagi pong pinapatugtog ko sa radyo, mga Whitney Houston songs, minsan mga Mamas and the Papas, The Letterman, then halo-halo po actually, napakarami po. The Carpenters din po, one of the inspirations ko.
Bongga yun ha?
Yes
So,
po.
yung luma na kakanta mo pa rin?
Yes po, opo. Those were my favorites. Halos lahat po ng kanta po ng Carpenters, kabisado ko po.
Yes.
What about the team?
Mother ko po.
Singer din, kumakanta rin?
Yes, nung bata siya, Contesera. Yun.
Oh!
Yeah. And actually, nung mga later part na, nung hindi ko sa pagkanta, sa kuya ko naman nakuha ko.
Kasi contest din ng kuya mo.
Hindi naman po.
Pero ikaw hindi mo naisipang mag-contest as a singer?
Hindi po. Feeling ko hindi ko kaya and parang pa-cute lang ako pag kumakanta. Kasi po yung kuya ko, may banda po siya dati. So sa bahay, doon sila tumutugtog minsan and minsan tumataya ako dun sa harap ng mikropono. And feeling ko part din ako ng band. So
kung ano yung mga kantahan ng kuya mo, yun yung...
yes, mga Michael Learns to Rock, parang gano'n, parang My Chemical Romance, medyo iba sa genre na tinataha ko ngayon. Pero kasi yung, in general po actually yung family namin, yung papinsan, meron kaming karaoke sa inuwian naming bukid sa lolo.
Bukid.
Yeah. So, kapag nag-gather kami doon, family gathering, laging naka-on yung karaoke. So,
choir ito.
yeah.
Miss Crystal.
Gaya din po nila, galing po kami sa mga pamilya ng mga singers, musicians. My lolo and my mom and her brothers, they're all musicians in the cruise ships. And my mom has a background in theater. So, may mga rock, mga Guns N' Roses, ganyan. Ano pa ba? But my mom, she's a theater actress, so I love Disney also. I love Broadway. Everything, all the genres. I love listening to different kinds of music. So, yeah.
Yeah, same, tayong tatlo pa rin. Since pare-pareho halos ang background nyo sa influences sa music, naniniwala ba kayo doon sa kasabihan sa industry na ano nga yun? One time, one hit, one wonder. Yung ayoko naman sabihin chamba, no? Yung nag-hit talaga isang song, tapos biglang nawala na.
I mean, I think there are one-hit wonders. There really are a lot. But I think the good thing about that, one of the good things about it, their songs live forever. So I guess that's fine. It depends on them kung paano nila tatanggapin yun na, ay, naka-one hit lang ako. Pero para sa akin, kung may one hit ako, edi, okay, naka-hit ako, period.
Okay sa'yo yung gano'n,
Okay
Crystal.
lang. But on my end, never ko naman expect na gano'n magka-hit. It's just that I really want to just release music. And, maybe when I'm older, make my grandchildren hear it, oh, that's how I sang before, ganyan. So sana magustuhan din nila, maybe ma-influence din sila. So yeah, just for the memories, I'm glad I get to release songs like this.
Kayo, Kim.
Dagdag ko lang kay Crystal, kasi yun niya, pag kasi, ewan ko lang sa inyo, pero kasi pag yung mindset ko pag nag-release ako ng song, nag-release parang dami.
Nakadalawa ka na ka mo.
Oo, marami na yan. 50% yun ay, syempre, for the audiences, and 50% siguro sa akin.
Yeah, I just it's out there.
Kasi parang nasarap lang sa feeling na I have a song, and it's a beautiful song, and masarap pakinggan and masarap kantahin.
Okay.
May dagdag ko lang din po, ako rin po, gusto ko lang naman po i-share po yung talent ko, yung aking music po to the audience. So, kung bigla man lang po nag-hit, like one hit wonder, it's still a milestone po na nag-hit po yung kanta.
So okay pa, hindi pa lang pagtanggap niyo sa gano'n. Kasi ngayong mga panahon na ito, alam natin, halos taon-taon ang daming sumusulpot na bago. Okay, my last question. Does anybody of you write songs or nagko-compose? Kung gagawa kayo ng mga sarili niyong kanta para sa inyo, right now at the state na ngayon, ano ang gusto niyong title sa song na ito? Anong klaseng, repertoire or something?
Sa state ko ngayon, baka malungkot yung kanta. Kasi I've been listening to Ed Sheeran's
Ed Sheeran.
Yeah, Ed Sheeran. Actually, isa po siya sa mga musical leaders. And may song siya about loving thyself. It's called Save Myself. Parang, if you want to save someone else, you have to save yourself first. Siguro somewhere about that topic. Title? To follow na lang.
Galing
Okay guys.
Ako po siguro in the state I'm in po, something hopeful kasi mahilig na po akong makinig ngayon ng mga kanta ni Maybe This Time, Forevermore. Yun po, parang mga LLS na po ako somehow. So baka something hopeful po, something...
Bongga sa umaambisyon pala talaga.
Yes po, sakong-sakto po siya. Ang title po, wala din po akong maisip. So maybe someday.
Okay.
Maybe someday.
Okay. Crystal?
For me, emotional. Siguro yung title, Hinga.
Kasi,
I think it would be about, I don't know, just releasing my anxieties. Parang nasa set kami kahapon, parang iniisip na nag-uusap kami ng mga mentor namin and our other co-actors. Yung parang ending is, ang ending ng usapan is kalaban ko is sarili ko. And I've been so anxious all year at taping and it's been crazy. Parang yung walang rason, nakakapag-deliver naman ako sa ibang show. Pero ba't dito parang di ko talaga, nafa-frustrate ako lately sa trabaho ko. Feeling ko hindi ko nabibigay yung parang yung ganun. Yes, kung ano man yun. So anyway, I just want maybe to write a song about releasing the inhibitions, the anxiety, and loving myself and loving what I do. And parang believe sa sarili. Pinag-uusapan po ng mga mahal ko dyan sa GMA playlist na kilala nila akong wala talaga akong believe sa sarili ko.
Oo, kailangan.
Wala talaga. But everyone else, sila po yung nagpupush sa akin. So I'm glad I'm surrounded by the right people. So yeah, Hinga Girl, yun. Hinga Girl. Thank you, sir.
May push ka rin namin na sumali ka sa beauty contest.
Thank you so much.
Bakit ka doon, te?
26 from Charat.
Salamat and good luck to the three of you. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Sir Ambed. And our last set of questions will be coming from Miss Raj Alday of Random Republica.
Hello, good afternoon. First of all, syempre congratulations and siguro as of now, paano nyo masasabi kung gaano ka-importante yung music sa karera nyo ngayon? Siguro for everyone.
isn't talked about a lot, and I won't really go that deep into it, but I'm sure a lot of people can relate. We can't really bring our problems on set because everyone is working. Even the staff and the crew, mas pagod pa sila sa amin, honestly. And I don't know, during break time you can see people listening to music. It's downtime, it's if not an escape, it's comfort. Not just music, the entertainment industry, people on the news, like this is what yan ang pinapanood ng tao eh, yan ang nakapag-comfort sa tao, it affects people, so I think that it's, I don't know, it should be a vital part of life. A lot of songs, kahit na hindi pa nga nangyayari sa'yo, naapektuhan ka, diba? So I think, yeah, ano bang sinasabi ko? Kaya naman. Ayun na, malaking bagay siya na parang for other people it's just a song, but people can listen to one song for a month on loop because it resonates with them that much. And my last song syndrome, because you know, it can relate and naapektuhan ng chemistry ng katawan natin dyan. So feeling ko, it's science. It helps, basically. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. Importante talaga siya.
Bukod sa mga sinabi ni Crystal, ang ganda mo sumagot, no? Kung judge ako, panalo na to. Nagagamit ko siya sa taping minsan. If I have to feel sad, especially if my heavy scene, I can listen to music and go to that emotion, go to that vulnerability. Kaya super need ko siya. I don't think na I can go on without music.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah. Actually, pag may problema ako, yun nga agad yung kinuha kong, I mean, when I started riding, sabi ko kuha ko ng intercom sa helmet. That way, I can listen to music while riding. So, yeah, super important siya.
Same din po because I kind of grew up with music po my whole life. Ayan, dad ko lagi yung napapakinggan kumanta. And sa tingin ko po kasi ang music, it relaxes me, it makes me happy. Sometimes it makes me stressed kasi yung mga times na hindi ko makuha yung note, hindi ko magawa to. Parang it's something na sa totoo lang po, if life without music is like a void for me. Parang nothing po ang mundo kapag wala pong tunog or music. Kaya sobrang important po niya talaga.
May song si Jason Mraz, Everything is Sound.
Yes, wow.
Parang ganun. Music is everything.